What is up, all you beautiful people? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We just smashed through that 100 subscribers, guys. I've been super busy on this crypto project, so I do apologize that I haven't made any videos sooner, but I'm actually gonna make a quick video here because I finally figured out how to create and compile and launch a cryptocurrency. So I'm going to try to show you step by step the easy way after going through, 20 different videos. This is kind of how you do it. All right. Okay, first thing you're going to do, you're going to make sure you got MetaMask and you're signed in. All right, well, you're gonna sign into your account. On the top left, you're gonna select a network. You're gonna go down to, now I chose Sepolia. You might do the Geroli, can't even say that. But anyways, pick one of the test nets. Then you're gonna come over and you're gonna go Sepolia faucet. Come to this one. Now, I think I've already got mine for today, but you should be able to come in here, paste, I'm not a robot, send me the ETH. Okay, so I already got sent some. Once you have, there you go. Once you have the test ETH in your wallet, you're gonna come into OpenZeppelin Wizard. Like, they make this so easy, guys. We're coming to here, and now we're gonna just, on the left here, we're gonna put in what we want, and it's gonna do everything else for us, okay? So, right here, token, we're gonna call this New Year, NYR. Now right here, we're going to pre-mint 100,000 coins. So, we're gonna do one. Now this is 100,000 times 18 decimal places. Don't ask me why, it's just how they do it. It's because you can't have decimals. You have to be whole numbers. So this thing kind of does it for you, but you have to kind of do the math yourself if you do it on your own. All right, I want to add a mintable function. I want to add a burn function, and bam, looks pretty good. So that's literally it. Now you're gonna go open in Remix. Boom. Bada boom, bada bing. Now, this will open up. It will automatically import all these settings to the left. Don't worry about that. We're gonna make sure that this is the same as this. So I'm gonna change that to the same. That's it. I'm gonna go Control S, or you can just click the compile contract here. And if everything's good, it's gonna give you a nice check mark. Boom. I'm actually just going to rename this to New Year. Let's enter .sol. Okay, we're gonna go Control S. Go give us this little check mark here. Boom. Now we're gonna come down into the third one, deploy and run. I'm gonna click on this environment. We go injected MetaMask, all right? And then gonna make sure we are on that New Year right there. And then we're just going to copy this address, paste it, and deploy. Now it's gonna come up. The MetaMask notification will pop over here. Boom, look at that. You guys can see it. Come over, I'm gonna go confirm. And it's gonna load, and bam, that was it. So if you see down here, guys, you click on this, scroll down, we will see our contract address. So copy this, and then we're just gonna go into Sepolia Etherscan, right? Because they have its own Etherscan for the testnet. I'm just gonna go paste. Look at that, 37 seconds ago, guys. Contact creation. We can click on the hash here. We just went from nothing to that contract for 100,000 New Year. Boom, that's it. All right, well, let's take it one step further. I'll show you guys some cool stuff here. So if we click on this arrow, it'll pop down there. And I'm actually just I'm gonna mint, say, another 100,000. So remember, actually to make this easy, we'll go Ska, can't spell where Ska. yeah, come over here to this Ethereum unit converter, guys, and we want to put another 100,000. So we're gonna put in this number right here because it's 100,000 plus 18 decimals, right? Copy that. Come back to here. Bam. Mint. Maybe use this one. Okay, well I'm gonna burn half of my supply, right? Pop up there. Nice, you can see it. Confirm. Boom. And if we go check back on the New Year's, let's refresh the page. 50,000. And then we can even go final steps. Right? Go to contract, go verify and publish. Right? And then we're gonna go single file, right? Compiler version, which we have right there. And then we go MIT, right? Because that's just our, right there, MIT. Make sure you put that in there because you're gonna need it. And then we go continue. And this is where it gets fun, guys. Come back over to here. We're gonna go back up top left here. Boom, File Explorer. Now, right here's our file. Right click, flatten. Wait for that to load. It's gonna give you a flattened file. Click on that. Control, copy, and that's gonna be just the actual code because, you know, that's just like, what the heck, that's nothing. Yes, because you're importing all this fun stuff. Back over to here, guys. Boom, paste it in. Get rid of that space there. I'm not a robot. Verify and publish. Let that load. Load. Boom. Look at that. Come back, actually. Click on this. See? New Year's token. And we have 50,000 New Year's tokens. And contract is verified. And like, that's like half the battle there, right? And then we can even, you know, come up into here. Let's make sure you guys can see that still. Oh, yeah, come over here. And then we can actually import that token, guys. So check this out. We're gonna go copy back into here. Import token, paste. Look at that, pops that up. Boom, import tokens. Now I can actually send that over to, you know, send it over to my other wallet there. Let's go 2,000. Next, confirm. Check that pending. Actually go check this out in here. Add that to there, and look at that. Boom, 2,000 New Year tokens in there. Oh, so easy. All right, now obviously there's more to this. You know, we can audit the contract, get a roadmap, build a website, get all your social medias, some other stuff to do, but yeah, that's pretty easy when you think about it that way. All right, if you haven't already, all right, guys, if you haven't already, please follow, like, and subscribe. I promise I will come out with more videos coming up in the new year. I think I've had some pretty good feedback off the channel here. What do you guys think? Should I keep doing this? You guys can keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking. You know, I can do this full time, which you kind of need because, man, when you do a 20+ minute video and then with editing and all the extra fun stuff, like, that's very, very time consuming. Plus, then if you want to talk about TikTok and Twitter and LinkedIn, and the list goes on and on and on. Please stay tuned because this cryptocurrency that I'm working on is very, very close to being done. And obviously, you guys are into crypto and excited for the next bull run. If you guys have your wallet in the next video that I throw up, make sure to have that wallet address ready and you post that in the comments, and I will be giving some free tokens to all my faithful and solid followers. All right, guys, thanks again. Appreciate y'all. Peace.